Here's a great set of skills exercises for your students to use to train on the compound miter saw. This saw is a stationary saw, and I find that it builds confidence with students. They don't have to worry about this freehand control of the saw. It's placed there, stable. They can worry about making their board supported and their accuracy with their blade placement and their marks and their measurements. So this is a sort of a two-phase skills exercise. It starts with the basic cuts, which are literally producing exact length blocks A through G. And these blocks, once they're cut, will stack in a sort of a stair-step pattern, and they're getting shorter as the letters go from A to G. Once they get those cut, they can start on their advanced set of blocks. This advanced set of blocks is pulled from the end of the board. These are longer measurements that are made. And what happens is it's the scrap part of that long board that now becomes this second block set. These are H through N. And if the measurements are made from the end of the board and the cuts are placed on the right side of the line, this block set should be as accurate as the first block set. The measurements are just longer and the kerf lands on the other side of the line. So what they're producing from block set phase 1 and block set phase 2 can be stacked or nested together, and you and the student at a glance can evaluate how well they did, because the lines on the edge of these blocks, either end, once they're all pushed together and they're sequenced properly, should be even. And this is a difficult thing for them to accomplish, but as they're creating that second set of blocks, they can be assessing what they're doing, double checking their measurements. This should slow them down and help them focus on that blade placement and working with that miter saw for each set of blocks. This is a really fun project. Even if you only do phase 1, try this with your students and you will see that their skills with the miter saw will increase very rapidly. I hope this makes sense, and good luck with your training.